Hello, Jason here. Today is June 16th, and this is your aftermarket update. So we had a good day here at the Oil Trading Group. It was not without its challenges. This week is not going to be without its challenges. Today was another day in which the average daily range was significantly below what we would expect on a day like today. So I'm going to bring this chart into view here. And we're going to zero in on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen here. You can see here from today's action that it was 95 ticks was the total range today. The 10-day average range is 167 ticks, and the 20 days is 178 ticks. Again, I continue to bring this up in the second consecutive video because it is indicative of a market which is extremely sluggish, slow, difficult to trade. The reason for that is many. There are many reasons for that. We are in the middle of contract rollover week on crude, along with the indexes. In addition to that, it's options expiration week. Friday will be the options expiration date. Again, tomorrow is crude oil inventory. We do have several FOMC statements again tomorrow, so lots of angst in the market right now as there is a pause waiting to see what's going to happen. Also, you have the Greek debt issues continue to be a factor here. All of these things are very important. And the first trade of the day that I ended up taking ended up being a losing trade. So if you were in with this early and left, you saw me take that losing trade here to get started this morning. That happens. And we were able to pick up the OTG trade of the day. Ended up being 152 ticks. The trade itself lasted for an hour and 39 minutes. Now, the OTG trade of the day, which I'm going to let you see here in just a few moments, is not going to be. I'm not going to play the trade in its entirety. 139 minutes, or sorry, an hour and 39 minutes is just too long of a video. So I'm going to chop it down into two pieces that we can. I think the first clip, first part of the trade is about 5 minutes long, and then the final bit of the trade is about 12 and a half minutes long. That's what is that? 17 minutes. For the other hour and 22 minutes, we just watched the market move sideways in a back and forth pattern. In fact, let's take a look at it here on the 5-minute chart. We ended up getting in right here at this 57 level. So we'll highlight this on the chart. We ended up getting in right here at this 57 level. And we were looking to take out the target up here. So again, if you take a look here, you could see that as we began the process, once we got our first target was 20 ticks. We actually took it off at 18 ticks. You had this sideways activity, and then you had more sideways activity here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars, 30 minutes of sideways activity, and you could even include these three for another 15. That's 45 minutes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 before you had the break to the target. So again, I'm not going to make you sit through all of that. Really, the meat of this trade was done in about 16 minutes worth of time. So you can see the entry down here at right here at 59.58. We took the first target off 18 ticks later at 59.76. And then, again, rotation. You can see all these sideways bars. And then we got the final two off up here at 60.16, right where the target was that we were discussing in the trade. In addition to getting in short down there, we had a couple of reasons. If you look here at line item number 20 on your trade plan up here in the top left-hand corner of the screen, you could see 9:09 a.m. was a time frame that we were expecting the move, and that was right here where this dot is. That was right there at the 9:09 time frame. We were expecting the market to begin a move at that time frame. And then in addition to that, we had one of your market maker levels, first time touch of a revision, I believe it was. Let's come back here and take a look. Yeah, so sorry, it was the daily structure signal right down here at your daily structure signal. This is the area where we got long. We knew that 2 minutes later the market was scheduled to make a move with the probability to the top side, and we got in there right here, and the market actually never came back to that level as it goes all the way up here to 60.18. So this was a very long trade today. I'm not going to make you watch all of that. I'm not going to subject you to watching that in its entirety, but you'll get the gist of it in about this 16 minutes of condensed version of the OTG trade of the day. So without further ado, here is that OTG trade of the day. 56. I'm going to get long at 57. I'm going to get long here at 57. You've got a 70.5 and you've got a first time touch of your market maker level down here, and you've got a time frame coming up. There's 59, 58, there's 59. You've got a time frame coming up. I'm going to make that 58 on the long. There's 58, and I'm in at 58. I would have gotten filled at 57. The stop here is new low at 41. First target is 73, and then we'll see what happens here. So this is your revision signal and a 70.5 at market maker level, revision signal and a 70.5 here. And so if it gets up through, you're looking for this to get up through 66. It's the open of the next bar is the time frame that we are expecting a move with the probability to the long side here. So we do need to get up through 60, which is the ETH price, and that's right here on this bar coming up is what we're expecting the probability to the long side. We're going to go to 73 on the first target here. There's 62, 63. This is a 70.5 minor along in conjunction with a revision signal. Now you've got revision mid at 66. We may stop there. This is the time frame, the open of this bar right here. Actually, it's the open of this next bar that we are expecting the move to begin to come up. Stop is at break even, target's at 78. Stop is at break even. Stop is at break even, and the target is 78. And we picked the right spot to get long, at least initially here. So we just hit that center point at 66. So I am concerned about that as well. There's 67, 67, not 68 yet. Yeah, we did hit 68. First target at 78 up there. Next targets are back up into that. So you've got a revision signal up here at 87. There's 67, 68. Let's see if we can't get on up through it here. I'd like to close north of 66 here in 50 seconds here. I'd like to close north of 66. And so revision target up above you up there is 06. There's 67. Let's see if we can get through 68, 69 here. So you have 127 have hit the offer up there at 67. Target is 78. You've got 71 limit orders short at 72. There's 69, 70. Stop is 59. 73 is another potential resistance point. There's 72. Let's see if we can get through 72, 73. There's your iceberg Mitch at 71 and 72. You see those 49 in up there that were coming in. It's hard to see. You got to just watch for it. There's 74. We just hit 75. You got 101 limit order short at 72. Stop is 63. Stop is 63. That was a nice place to get long, eh? See if we can get above 73 and then 75 and then get that first target at 78 up there. Point of control is 75. Yep. See you, Najmul. Have a good day, buddy. Now we need to get through 75. That's the point of control. There's 76, 77. We just hit 78. I got hit, but no, we did not. There's 78. Yeah, I got hit. Did I not get filled? I'm going to bring it down to 76 on the target here and out on half at 18. So it took 2 off at 18, which is good. So now we'll see where the rest goes. So the way that your levels work here, both your market maker and your support and resistance, we are this far above it here. We should make it to the next step. But we're going to have to get through the previous session's point of control and that previous session high up there at 98. $10.47 is the next time frame for a long, and it's a bit more encouraging. It's looking to last for about 17, 18 minutes. And that may be where it takes us. Come on, get up through 92, 93 here. You had 200 on the offer at 91. This is an exercise in patience, my friends. 71 limit order short at 94 right now. All right, so the 1 minute has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 top at 94. The 5 minute has a triple top at 94. Come on, get through here right now. Get through 93, 94 here. Boy, it'd be nice. There's 92. New bar here on the 5 minute. There's 92. Still no takers at 93 yet. Still no real takers at 93. Come on. Boy, there are some orders ahead of us here trying to keep the lid on it. If we can muscle our way up through it, we can't get through 92. Now you have a triple top at 92 and a triple top at 93. There's 92. There's 93. Break it. Come on. There we go. 94, 95. Get through it. You've got an iceberg at 95 coming back in. There's 96. Now let's go. 97. Make this worth the wait. Let's go to 83 on the trail stop. There's 96, 97, 190. Limit order short at 00. Yeah, I'm hoping, John, we could stick around for the 1047 that would finish the move up here. Or at least there's a probability, time frame probability there. 135 limit order short at 04 now. So the orders at 00 are backing away. 93 at 00. 138 at 04. If we get up to 04 and pause, the stop will be 88. But I think if we make it through 00, we might just hustle right on up through it. I just don't know if we're at the time of the day to get enough energy to get through it. There's 97, 98. There's 00, the touch of 00 again. Let's go to 88 on the trail stop now. There's 00. Come on, break 00. You've got an iceberg at 00. We're going to hopefully break the 00. 16 is the target up top. There's 99 again. Come on, get up through it. Got to close. We need a bar. I don't care if it's a 1 minute or a 5 minute to close it above 98. That previous session high. 96 limit orders now at 01. We may break 00 now. Okay, 102 short at 00, 168 at 04. The sellers are moving their shorts up as they're losing ground here. As they're retreating, they're moving those levels back. Okay, there's 02, 03. Let's go to 89 on the trail stop here. 88 is the trail stop. Still need to close above 98. I don't care if it's a 1 minute or a 5 minute bar. I want to close a bar above 98. 99 or higher. 88 is the stop. And 108 limit order short at 09 now. Close above 00 would be fantastic. Let's bring this trail. It's going to bring it down to 16 and 17 on the targets here. 16 and 17 on the targets here. There's 99, 00. Get up through it here. We did close above 98, which is good on a 1 minute bar. So you've got 47 seconds on the 5 minute now to do the same thing. There's 00. Come on. We're going to get up there. I've got a level at 06 to deal with. You've got a 70.5 on the day at 09, and that's where you have right now 106 limit order short is up there at 09. This is a battle, right? Hopefully you've held on. It's not been easy, but hopefully you've held on. Come on, 16 and then 17 are your targets up there. Bring this to 92. Bring this to 89 on the trail stop. I'm bringing my trail stop to 89. 6 minutes till the next time frame. There's 6, 7, 8. Okay, get through it. Bringing this up to 93 on the stop. It's 48 ticks positive right now. 16 and 17. 16 is your targets here. 16 are your targets. There's 10. Bring this up to 98 now. Break even plus 40. There's 10, 11, 12. Let's bring this up to 03 on the trail stop. There's 13. This may be as close as it gets. 16 is the target. 16 is the target here. 03. There's 10, 11, 12. Come on. Finish it. You're 53 ticks right here at 11. 195 at 05, limit orders long. That should hold it here. 06 is your target. 16 is your target. Sweet, Calpesh. It was a battle, but we got it. Not easy today. But we're getting it. We came up into the bottom of the zone here now. You've got 194 limit orders long at 05 right now. There's 9, 8. Trail stop is 03. That's 45 ticks. Oh, no. John says his cat turned off his trading computer. Ouch. 215 limit orders long down here at 89 at 05. 189 limit orders long at 05. Stop. Trail stop is 03. Target 16. Target 16. There's 10, 11. We need to push through that 11, 12. Okay, you got a revision target up here. We haven't closed above at 07. This is also where your 70.5 on the day is. And this may be where it stops, is right here around this 09, 08. So I'm going to do this. Well, we've got, if we didn't have 200 limit orders long right now at 05, I would have my stop at 08. But we've got all those limit orders down there long at 05, trying to keep the floor underneath it. I'm going to risk this extra 5 ticks to try to get 6 ticks, 1-to-1 ratio. Brad, plus 55 ticks on the day. Good. Good, Brad. That's awesome, dude. Great job. Great job. That's a good day on a day that's choppy and tough like this. So I'd like to push through up to that 16 level. There's 10, 11. We've been as high as 13. New bar in the 5 minute here in 2 minutes. New bar in the 1 minute out now. We got to get up through 11, 12, 13. I think we'll finish it on up to 16. There's 11. Come on, hit through 11 here. 207 at 05. I'm going to go to 04 here on the trail stop. That's 46. Or whatever the number is. I don't know how many it is. We'll look at it again in a minute. There's 12. Get up through 13. There's 12. Don't stall. We're agonizingly close here. 12. Break the top at 13. New bar in 1 minute on the 5 minute chart. Okay. Bring the trail stop now to 50 ticks at 08. Those orders that were 05 are gone. Those orders at 05 are gone, and I'm out. No, I am not out. Sorry, I thought I was. I thought it was about to do. I'm still in. I'm looking at the other price ladder, and I saw the other price ladder jerk. I thought it was about to take me out. I'm still in. There's 9. So it'll be 50 ticks on the final 2. Come on, get through 12, 13 here. Come on, there's 13. Come on, 14, 15. Let's get to 16. Come on, get through. There's 15. I'm going to take it out right here at 14, 15, 16. I'm out right here. We're going to get out at 16. Come on, give it to me at 16. There's 16 hit, but no filling out at the target at 16. All right, so it got a little dicey there at the end. What I was trying to do there at the end is we had those orders there at the 05 level, and I was trying to stay below that, but I wanted to get 50 ticks, which should have been at 08, and we were just kind of back and forth. And then I moved my target up, and I thought I was going to be getting out there at 14, and then I moved it back to 16, and lots of drama right there at the end. But we did end up getting the target there at 16, and they did complete the OTG trade of the day for 152 ticks. So again, a very nice trade here. OTG trade of the day put us up again nicely on the day. We did stop trading at that point. Again, there's no need to continue. I am nervous, and I'll be more nervous, if you will. Apprehensive is probably the better word, as we continue to move through the week and get closer to this Friday and get out of all of this contract rollover period stuff. So again, nice trade here today. Hopefully we'll continue it in here tomorrow. It is inventory report and FOMC meeting minutes day. Those typically are challenging days, and we're going to expect more of the same that we had today. Choppy, sideways action till at least after that number at 1 p.m. Central Time. So anyway, having said all of that, we appreciate you spending time with us here at the Oil Trading Group, watching our information and our videos. And until tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.